I'm Richard Weinzel, the founder of APT Engineering. I established the company in 1992. We started off making small components, pins, bushers, shafts for the automotive industry. Our first customer was OPSM in Sydney, making these little spectacle screws. We used to make 20,000 a week. And from there we started to diversify into defence and aerospace, and now we make complex components for aeroplanes, submarines and ships. Today APT has 25 staff. We have 2 factories across 2 sites with 15 state-of-the-art multi-axis CNC machines, both mills and lathes. Because of the closure of the local car industry, we knew then to diversify and find another industry, and along came defence at the right time. We started making these little pins for submarine launch flares, and that led to grenade components, submarine components, and also rifle components. Biggest changes I've noticed in engineering have been the ability to set up complex components in one setup on advanced machinery to tight tolerances. Some of the precision components we make are for the JSF Joint Strike Fighter, the Steyr rifles, radar systems, remote weapon stations, submarines and munitions. To supply to the defence industry, we've had to develop a technology control plan, a cyber security plan, and implement access security control systems throughout the place. We are in the process of gaining AS9100 Rev D accreditation. This will enable us to talk directly to the primes and enter new markets such as aerospace. So we've always partnered ourselves with companies that hold the same values as us. For example, Akuma, SolidCam and Ishkar, the tooling people. Anyone who deals with APT can expect honesty, outstanding quality, great communication, and the benefit of 25 years experience and know-how, making sure we deliver on time and in full. We don't take shortcuts on quality. We're actually one big family at APT. Our employees enjoy coming to work, and our customers always come first. The key to our success has been our partnerships, our networking, our quality attention to detail, and our staff. Our people is what makes APT.